I'm actually from an interior design background, so I can get quite passionate about this. And the theme I explained earlier, where the drivers and the passengers areas are delineated, that is a key point for this car. One thing in this area that we really worked hard on in terms of theme was these two lines here that flow back from the meter cluster. Right here, this is the point we were very particular about. If you have a look at the actual vehicle, you will see that we managed to create quite a beautiful curved surface here. Another area I like is with the centre console and the door trim. They have these 4 silver panels, and these really project a 3-dimensional structure. I think this was very successful. An enormous amount of work and consideration was given to this surface too, and I think it turned out beautifully. And also the centre audio and the meter cluster, these parts and the detailing. Careful detailed design really is the key to interior parts. So we really worked hard to get exact results. Yes, how to allocate space for passengers and space for the load. This was a point of many discussions during the initial packaging stage. The total length was basically fixed, so we had to work within that dimension and somehow divide it into space in the cabin for the passengers and utility space. For this as well, we actively incorporated the customers' opinions. Double cab customers especially commented that the rear space was insufficient. Therefore, we wanted to get as much distance between the front and rear seats, so this area here, the boundary between the load box and the passenger. The concept was to push this back as far as possible. But by doing this, the load box becomes too short. So for this, for example, in order to gain more volume, we decided to raise the top edge of the box. By doing this, even though we've shortened the length, we've managed to increase the volume. These are the kind of trade-offs and efforts we would make to maximise the cabin space without sacrificing the load space. These are the things that I would love everyone to see.